Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is script. Okay, then as always we line up the letters S, C, R, Y, P, T, and then we find the corresponding Morse codes. So we start with S is here, tap tap tap. S is tap tap tap. Then C is here. Let me put my camera properly here. C is long press tap, long press tap. C is long press tap, long press tap. Then R is here, tap, long press tap. R is tap, long press tap. Then Y is here, long press tap, long press, long press. Y is long press tap, long press, long press. Then P is here, it's tap, long press, tap. P is tap, long press, tap. Then T, it's a long press, long press. Then let us get the phone and we put in these Morse codes. Then let us click on Daily Cipher, the second item from the left, Daily Cipher. Then let us put in the Morse code. We start with S, tap tap tap. Then C, long press tap, long press tap. Then R, tap. Oh, the screen has started again. Let us start again. We said S is tap tap tap. Then C, long press, tap tap tap. Long press tap, long press tap. Then R, tap, long press tap. Then Y, it's long press tap, long press, long press. Jesus Christ, what's happening today? Tap tap tap, long press. What's wrong with today's screen? Tap tap tap, long press tap, long press tap. Then R, tap, long press tap. Y, long press tap, long press, long press. Whatever is happening today, I don't know what's happening. Then P, tap, long press, tap. Then T, long press. And that will be today's daily cipher word. Something's wrong with today's daily cipher. Lastly, click on take the prize and you'll be good to go. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.